Today I'm going to be showing you lots of different colour of my fidgets. First off, we're going to be doing a green fidget pack. So here are all my green fidgets. I do not know if I should count this. I think not, because there's only a bit of green on it. So, bye. Okay, here are all my green fidgets. First of all, we have this green mini puppet. Then we have this heart green puppet. Then we have this puzzle piece green puppet. This earth green puppet. Also, it's kind of like a dimple, kind of. And then this tree and this marble mesh. So now we're going to do a red fidget pack. See you when we're there. Okay, these are the only red fidgets I have. I've checked like almost everywhere, I think. So we have this red circle puppet and this red marble mesh. Next colour we're doing is blue. So here's the blue, only blue fidgets. We have this blue fidget spinner puppet. I think I'm going to count it because it's mostly blue. This blue Orby stress ball, this blue monkey noodle, this blue tangle, this blue spiky ball, this blue jumbo pop tube. This is actually my sister's, but I'm just going to count it because it was in my room. My mum always gets stuff mixed up. So I'm just going to count it. By the way, now we're doing a yellow fidget pack. Okay, so I have this yellow pop tube, yellow puppet, and yellow Orby stress ball. Okay, next we're doing orange. By the way, I forgot this for red. This homemade dimple. I just made it the other day. Yeah. So anyway, let's go on to the video. I only managed to find 3. This puzzle piece mini puppet, this lips mini puppet, and this dinosaur mini puppet. Okay, so next color is pink. Okay, so these are all of them. By the way, that's rose gold. So I think I'll just count it. For pink, we have all of these fidgets. Okay, the next colour is purple. By the way, I forgot that for orange. So these are all my purple fidgets. This purple unicorn puppet, this purple infinity cube, this purple jigsaw puzzle. The next colour is rainbow. Okay, so let me show you all my rainbow fidgets. These are all my rainbow fidgets. That's the end. I'll just give you a quick tour. There's all of this, all of this. By the way, that's a squishy, and these are not. Okay, and all of this. By the way, that has a hole in it. That's the end. Bye!